Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over how to create an email marketing form. So first you're going to go ahead and click on the plus icon over here to add an element. You're going to go down to email marketing form, click on it, and over here you can select whichever style you want it to be. I'm just going to choose a regular one, and once you choose it we can go ahead and edit it how you would like it. For example, its appearance. Over here you're going to see all the styles that we already have. You can create a new style, or you can also edit the style that you're already using. On this page you can edit the form label styles, the label colors for example, and the form fields, the background color, placeholder color, the field spacing if you want them to be more spaced, its height if you don't want it to be that big, also the border style, the border size, and all of this. Over here you can edit the style of the button and its color. For example, if I want to change it, I'll go to over here, choose this yellow or choose this green. Next up we're going to click OK. And over here you guys can see this before. It's basically the same information as of the other ones. You can select the subtitle font, also the font on mobile, and the subtitle font on mobile. Once you guys do that, we're going to go ahead and configure your email marketing form. And on this page over here, let's go back. On this page over here is where you can link it to MailingBoss or wherever other platform you want to use. But for my case, I'm going to link it to MailingBoss. Once you click on it, you're going to have to put your public key and your private key. These keys you're going to get from your MailingBoss. I can show you real quick. Let's just go on MailingBoss. We're going to go down to menu and you're going to click on API keys. Once you guys click on that, your keys are going to show on the screen. I'm not going to click that on right now just because I don't want my private keys to be shown. So let's go back to the editor that we were. And once you guys copied it and put it over here, you're going to go ahead and click login. After that, it's going to take you to this page where you can select the list that you want your email marketing form to be linked to. I'm just going to click on tutorial. And once you click on that, your email marketing form is linked to MailingBoss. If for some reason you guys want to change what the fields say over here, you would have to go to MailingBoss to do so. I'm just going to show you real quick also. You go over here, select the list that you want, go to configuration, fields, and over here you can add a field. For example, if I wanted to add a last name, add text field. Oh, it was already saved, pre-saved over here. And you can add a tag if it's required or not. You would want to put this visible if you want people to see it. You can also have a sort order, for example 0, 1, 2. This will show first, this second, and this third. You can also add a help text or a default value. You don't have to though. Once you guys do that, you guys can go ahead and save changes. Go back to your HTML editor, go over here, click on configure, and just link it to the same list again, and then it was going to show like this. And just one more thing guys, you can also change the URL. For example, the action that you're going to take once the subscribe is pending, once it's confirmed, or once someone is unsubscribed. So for example, you can select an action like a page, a web address, or an anchor. For all three of them, it's the same thing. And you can also select a language if you want to change the language. Another really quick thing guys is just over here on the button, you can select what your button will say. So for example, you can change it like that. You can write the subtitle. This over here is just a more advanced usage if you want to attach some HTML, or also you can do custom codes. We're not going to do that right now. We're just going to confirm so you guys can see the change on the button name. And after this, you guys are pretty much done setting up your email marketing form. This is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.